How to download Shopee app on Android mobile. So if you want to actually download the Shopee app on your Android mobile, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Whether it's Android or iPhone doesn't matter. First of all, you want to make sure that you're actually connected to a reliable internet connection. And once you make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection, simply open up your Play Store here. And in the search bar, you want to simply go ahead and then type in Shopee, right? So once you type in Shopee, you'll find the Shopee 7.7 mega fashion application. Now, unfortunately, this application is not available in my region. Now, there are other ways to install it, but I won't get through that in this video. But obviously, if you're looking to download the Shopee app and it is available in your region, you can go to your Play Store and then you can simply search for the Shopee app. This is the application with the S logo, not the other ones. They kind of look similar, but they're not the official one. So you want to make sure that is the correct one and then make sure to download it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.